Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Addicts. Today we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the Ducati XDiavel V4 2025. This bike is a real showstopper, with its sleek design and impressive specs. So let's dive in and take a closer look. First up, let's talk about the engine. The XDiavel V4 2025 is powered by a 1103cc V4 engine, which produces 168 horsepower and 93 pound-feet of torque. This bike is built for speed and agility, and the engine delivers. Now let's take a look at the speedometer. The XDiavel V4 2025 features a high-resolution 5-inch TFT display, which shows you all the important info, including speed, gear, and traction control settings. The display is clear and easy to read, even at high speeds. Next up, let's talk about the tires. The XDiavel V4 2025 comes equipped with Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires, which provide excellent grip and handling. The tires are designed to work in conjunction with the bike's traction control system, to give you maximum stability and control. Now let's take a look at the handle. The XDiavel V4 2025 features a tapered aluminum handlebar, which provides a comfortable riding position and excellent control. The handle is also adjustable, so you can customize it to fit your riding style. Next up, let's talk about the headlights. The XDiavel V4 2025 features a full LED headlight, which provides excellent visibility and a distinctive look. The headlight is also equipped with a Ducati-specific DRL, daytime running light system, which makes the bike more visible to other road users. Finally, let's take a look at the exhaust. The XDiavel V4 2025 features a stainless steel exhaust system, which provides a distinctive sound and excellent performance. The exhaust is also equipped with a Ducati-specific exhaust valve, which helps to optimize performance and reduce emissions. So what's the price of this incredible bike? The Ducati XDiavel V4 2025 starts at around $25,000, depending on the trim level and any customizations you might want. It's definitely an investment, but trust us, this bike is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content from Bike Addicts. We'll see you in the next video.